Imagine waking up every morning, looking in the mirror, and making a pact with yourself to speak English just 1% better than yesterday. That's it, 1%, but every single day, no exceptions, no excuses, and no pressure. Just a simple, consistent effort. Because let's face it, being fluent in English isn't about being perfect. It's about being better than you were yesterday. And that's where the magic happens, not in some grand, dramatic moment, but in the tiny, incremental progress you make every morning, every afternoon, and every evening. So you start by doing just one thing, reading one English article, watching one English video, or speaking with one English-speaking person. And it's not about being intense or overwhelming. It's about being consistent and simple. So you make it a habit, a daily routine, something you do without even thinking about it, like brushing your teeth or taking a shower. And before you know it, weeks turn into months and months turn into years, and suddenly you're not just speaking English, you're thinking in English, you're dreaming in English, you're living in English, and all it took was 1% more effort every day. And the most surprising thing is you won't even notice it's happening because your brain will adapt and your language skills will improve, but you will notice the impact it has on your life, the doors it opens, the opportunities it creates, and the confidence it gives you. So don't wait for some magical moment to strike. Don't try to be perfect. Just be better than you were yesterday. And that's the 1% rule that will make you fluent. Because consistency beats intensity every time, and simplicity beats complexity every time. So make the pact and start your journey to fluency today.